Hi family, I'm Dr. Brenda Woburiasti. I'm a licensed daycare provider, a published author of 3 children's books, an advocate, a consultant, a veteran's wife, and a mother. If you need help setting up your daycare service or just looking for great ideas to incorporate a play-based learning approach as well as learn about research-based solutions to issues impacting education, this is the channel for you. Subscribe, share, like. Thank you. Let me start this video with a question. What is sensory play? I'm not going to answer it yet. I'll leave this for you to answer. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think sensory play is. Okay, so when we're making a sensory bean, we usually start with a blank canvas. It's just a white bowl. There's nothing in there. And you know this bowl, I told you I use it for sensory activities. I also use it for cooking. I already have that bowl. And then I found some beans in my pantry. I did not buy these beans. They were already there from our monthly market or our monthly shopping haul. And I had 2 packs of black beans. And I was like, yeah, black is a theme for Halloween. And it would be nice to just use this as part of the sensory bean, you know. And I put the beans in the I'm just showing you the pack so you can see. And I put the beans in the bowl, and here we go. So sensory play is one that invigorates a child's sense of touch, taste, smell, sight, movement, and balance. So there's a lot to sensory play than just the sight, the smell, the touch, you know. It also has to do with balance as well. And I'm going to be doing more videos about sensory play on this channel, and I hope you stay tuned to watch it. So I had to go back to showing you the blank canvas and putting the black beans in there. And I already have the bowl. I already had the black beans in my pantry from our monthly shopping haul, and I just took 2 packs and I put it in the bowl, and we're ready to go with the sensory bean. So I'm just showing you the bag. This is like maybe $1.99 in the market, so it's not that expensive. Okay, so I got some really nice spiders from the dollar store, and I got them in different colors, and I've had this for a while. This spider's leg is broken. Do you wonder why or how it got broken? So I'm putting it just shows that the kids have touched it and they've played with it, and yes, they have played with it a lot. So I'm just putting little spiders there on the side, the big brown spider, the little jack-o'-lanterns. We know that jack-o'-lantern is one major symbol of Halloween. So it's right. Even spiders as well are a major symbol of Halloween. Black, brown, orange. These are 4 colors. So I'm putting a couple of little jack-o'-lanterns. I got a pack of these from the dollar store. I think it was like 3 in 1 pack or something like that. But I've used it for more than a year now, and I still keep them. So I have pine cones, and I got those also from the dollar store, and I just take a couple of pine cones and I put them in there in the bin, in the sensory bin. And pine cones too are a very major symbol of fall or autumn, you know, depending on what you call it. We do have some trees in our neighborhood, some pine cone trees in our neighborhood as well, that we go get and pick when the children go for a walk. Okay, so those were acorns. I got these acorns from I think it was a pack of these from the dollar store, and I did not just get this. I've gotten this for a while now. So I'm just making the beans, still keep putting things. I found a pack of leaves from the dollar store, and they came in different 4 colors, and you know, they fit the theme that I'm working with. So we have the spiders, we have the jack-o'-lantern, pine cones, acorns. All of these are symbols, physical symbols and representation of fall or Halloween. So I'm just putting these scoopers, and I put a couple of scooping spoons in there. These plastic ones are like measuring, they are measuring spoons. So I put those in here so the children can use them to scoop the beans and move the beans from one place to the next, and just play with it however they like. I did put some funnels. I got these funnels from the dollar store. It was a pack, and in different sizes. And I was like, this will come in handy sometime. Sometimes we use it for water play. When we do water play, we use it for science. And now I'm using it for the sensory bean. So they come in very handy. And I really, really like that I got them. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to be adding are these little scoop things, and they're like scissors at the top, and at the bottom they have scoopers, so you can open it and scoop and close it up and move. So unlike the other spoons that are open, these scoops are closed. And these were gifts. These were not from the dollar store. These were a gift from one of the programs I participated in. And they gave me like a bin of sensory things, and I saved them for different activities. So it looks like our sensory bin is done. It's ready. And now when the sensory bin is ready, what I do is go to the table, my main table, the table where the children do their activities in, and I flip it. When I flip it, so the top is at the bottom, there's a space in the middle, and that's the space that I let the children play in. So there's a little container and a smaller surface, and the table is a bigger surface, and it gives the children more space to work with, and it helps me with cleaning, because most of that stuff is contained in that particular area while they're playing. So they're playing, they're having fun, and when they are done, voila, not too much to clean, just a little bit to clean. And I was quick. I just did this quick video, got me a broom, swept all the bins off the floor, put all the other stuff, because I'm gonna save these over and over again. So I cleaned them because I just used them, and I put them away for when we do more activities. And they come in handy for counting, for sorting, for color recognition, all kinds of stuff, patterns, I still use them. But the beans, I'm going to throw away. I'm not using the beans again after this one time. So I'm just looking around, assessing the damage that has been done. Not really. And then I've cleaned it all up, and it looks really nice and clean. And if you watched till this part, this end, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more great stuff here. Also, don't forget to share. Join my family. You can support this channel by liking, by sharing, by subscribing, by joining the membership. And until next time, bye.